My name is Barbara D. I'm here at Guaranty RV. Today I'm out here in this lovely weather. It's Oregon in January to show you a Jayco product. This is a nice little trailer. A couple of things that I want to point out right away is that it has this fantastic electric tongue jack. So what that does is it lifts the hitch on and off the ball, provides you a light in the morning or that light at night when you guys get ready to go home. It's solar ready, which is really cool. You know, we want to use those solar panels whenever we can, and you don't have to put them on the roof anymore. You can set them right out on the ground. This is a 224 bunkhouse, and it is just about the right size for a young family. You don't have to have a monster size pickup to haul it. It's made out of a quality product. It's got a really nice carefree awning on it. There's speakers in the awnings and the whole 10 yards. So we'll start right here. Oh, no we won't. That's locked. We're going to go on inside. So Jayco's been building for 50 years. They've been in this industry for quite some time. And they build all kinds of stuff. They build really big motorhomes, fifth wheels, residential travel trailers. But this is just a nice starter trailer for a young family. And they also offer a 2-year warranty on it, which is nice. Extra things like this grab handle, that's an accessory that most trailers don't have. Jayco makes it a standard. This is the Rocky Mountain edition. We're out here on the West Coast, and I know for us, we like to get up, you know, we don't necessarily want to go to a campground. Maybe we want to go up on a wood road, or just kind of off the beaten path. How's that sound? Let's go on in and take a peek at this. I like the fact that the door opens all the way. You're usually carrying something in or out when you're RVing. The unit weighs under 5,000 pounds. I think it's right at 4,500 pounds. And I think it's really nicely fit. So you have a lovely bed here for mom and dad, some good storage space, great closet space on each side. And one of the things I like about this closet is it has a round rod. So I don't have to find a different type of hanger to hang my jackets and things like that. Put some folding clothes on the bottom. And a place I wear glasses. I have contacts on right now, but I usually I have a high blood pressure pill that I take, and I have glasses. So it's nice to have a little something right next to the bed where you can set something down. Also has an outlet so you can charge your phone or your other media. And like I said, this is just a short little trailer. It's not very long at all, and it's not very heavy. It has a super nice dinette. And one of the things that Jayco does is, I'm small. Short, I guess I should say short. Not necessarily small, I'm a little round. But there's enough room here so you're not, you know, just stuck up against the table. A little room to relax. And you can take this table off of here, and then you've got a little settee area. I'm just going to point out a couple of things while I sit here. Nice counter. They have a top on there so you can use it as a drying rack, or you can use the cutting board to fill it in. It's got an oven, a 3-burner range top, a microwave, and this is a dandy. This refrigerator is a Norcold refrigerator. They're excellent, but look how big it is. This is the same size refrigerator that you're going to find in a $249,000 motorhome. And they last. I've had Norcold in my RVs, and they are my preference for sure. I'm going to have the cameraman poke up here and take a look at this air conditioner. But the reason this air conditioner doesn't have a whole bunch of vents coming off of it is because it's being dispersed throughout the RV in these vents. So instead of one place getting cool, the whole trailer cools down. You've got 2 bunks for some young kids or adolescents. They also have lights in them, windows in them, and outlets as well. Really makes it nice. The kids can pull their privacy curtain. They've got a little something to grab a hold of to get up and down. And you can purchase a ladder if you want. Jayco doesn't provide one, but they're available. This is a dandy. So again, I'm talking about a 22-foot trailer, bunks that will manage to teenagers, a nice walk around bed. But look at the shower. This is the kind of shower that you are going to find in a motorhome. It's a flat shower, so you can get in here and you can get cleaned up. You know, you don't usually need a bathtub, so to speak, you know, especially when they're about this big. They also upgraded this toilet, so it's a porcelain toilet with a foot pedal, a nice sink and basin. It's just got a lot of really nice stuff. It's got a raised axle, it's got a great price point, it's got a great refrigerator. I would recommend you consider this if this is your first RV or you're coming out of something smaller. At $22,400, you add the 3 feet for the tongue, you can get into any single park. You can get into a county park, a federal park, any private parks, and again, you've got that Rocky Mountain addition, so you can take it off the grid. My name is Barb. I work in trailers and vans for Guaranty, and I've been in this industry for quite a while. I've owned a lot of different trailers, but most of all, I want to help you find the one that's right for you. So give me a call. It's 541-521-4232. Thanks so much for spending some time with me. I appreciate it.